Hey everyone, and welcome to another Tech Check unboxing. The other day I was on Amazon looking for a small mechanical keyboard, and that's when I came across this, the Vixing Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. At first I was skeptical, as it was the cheapest mechanical gaming keyboard on Amazon.ca at just $36 with the $2 coupon. I had to give it a shot. Well, now it's here. So let's check it out. As you can see, the packaging is very minimum. Just a plain white box with image of the board on top, mechanical gaming keyboard, the model number underneath. You flip it over, see if there's anything on the back. Nope, nothing on the back. Oh, on the back here, there's the do not trash symbol, CE symbol, FCC symbol, made in China. Get the barcode here. The first actual branding I've seen on this box yet. The Vixing Mechanical Game ER for laptop, computer, Mac, or new. Another model number. Alright, well, that's it for the box. I guess not all companies have to go crazy on their package design, but they really didn't do anything at all. Maybe that means they just put that much more effort into the board itself. So let's open it up. All right, so right on top here, you see we got a keycap puller on top of what I can only assume is the keyboard itself. So let's get it out of here. Get this cord out of here. All right, anything else? Oh, a little manual right there, which I don't think I'll be needing, so let's just get this stuff out of the way. Let's take this off, this wrapping. And there it is. That is the Vixing Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. So as we look at this board, it only has 87 keys, which means it doesn't have a number pad on the right here. Also, the F1 through F12 keys all double as media and browser shortcuts, with little icons on the keys, as well as a rundown in the manual that tells you what each key does. Now, speaking of the keys, I did notice some reviews on Amazon saying that the lettering wears off fairly quickly. However, they have now switched the keycaps to the double shot keycaps they use on their LED backlit board, so your characters will never fade with this keyboard. The switches on this keyboard are what I believe are Otemu Blue with a crisp click and a nice tactile bump, which is personally my favorite type of switch. The keys seem quite durable and have a 50 million keystroke rating with a slight texture on them and a nice matte finish. On the bottom of the board, you'll find some rubber anti-slip feet here and here, as well as your height adjustment feet, which can be left up or put down depending on how you like your board sitting. There's also 3 holes right here for drainage, as this board is rated as waterproof, so if you spill anything on it, after a quick cleanup, you can get right back into whatever you were doing before the spill. Also on the back here, there's a logo for a company called Eastern Times Tech, which I believe is probably where they sourced maybe the chassis or something from. It says mechanical gaming keyboard, rating of 5 volts, 100 milliamps, as a serial number, your FCC, your CE, all your certifications, your do not trash, made in China, and your i500 model number. Okay, well, that was the unboxing of Amazon's cheapest mechanical gaming keyboard. Let me know what you thought of the Vixing Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. And if you'd like to get your own, you can find it on Amazon or at the Vixing website, which I'll have linked below. Thanks for watching. I'm Andrew, and this was Tech Check.